Hi everyone, my name is Chef Gary and welcome to another episode of Bakery Series video recipe of Miguelitos. Today, we will be baking our ultimate favorite vanilla cake. Here are the ingredients. 12 pieces egg yolks, 3 cup of water, 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of white sugar, 15 pieces of egg white, and our very own Miguelitos Instant Vanilla Cake Premix. We have to prepare mixture A and mixture B. For the mixture A, using a mixer with wire attachment, place in the mixing bowl 12 pieces of egg yolk, 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 3/4 cup of water. Then mix from medium to high speed until well blended. Place in 1 pack of Miguelitos Instant Cake Premix. And mix from low to high speed until well incorporated. Then set aside. For the mixture B, using a mixer with wire attachment, place in the mixing bowl 15 pieces of egg white, and pour in 1 cup of white sugar. Then mix in high speed. Continue mixing until medium to stiff peak is achieved. In low speed, pour in mixture A. Then remove the bowl from the mixer. And cut and fold the mixture. Pour the mixture in the prepared pans with lard and parchment paper. Then bake in convection oven at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 24 minutes. For frosting and icing procedures, using a mixer with wire attachment, pour in 1 and 1/2 cup of chilled non-dairy whipping cream. Then add 1/2 cup chilled all-purpose cream, 1/2 cup of sifted powdered sugar. You may add flavor and color for better appearance and taste. Then whip until stiff peak is achieved. Remove from oven and cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Then detach the chiffon from the pan, immediately to avoid sticking. Set aside and cool. Decorate your cake based on your chosen design, then chill overnight. Serve and enjoy. To be updated for more video recipes of Miguelitos, don't forget to click the ring bell button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Miguelitos, ang best part yung